Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we will discuss about a chapter of political science of class 6th named Panchayati Raj. Dear students, since ancient times, India has always posed a good system of local administration even at rural level. This was rooted through the institution of Panchayat Raj at rural level. Dear student, what is the meaning of Panchayat? Literally, panchayat means a committee of 5 people. The committee of 5 people constitute a panchayat. Dear student, Panchayat Raj consists of 3 levels. First, Gram Sabha at village level, Panchayat Samiti at block level, and third, Zilla Parishad at district level. First, Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha is a general body consisting of all the village voters residing in the village. Every village is divided into wards, smaller areas. Dear student, we live in a village. Our village, our village is divided into wards. We elect ward member. We vote for our ward member. And same, every village panchayat is divided into wards in India. Smaller areas is chosen. Each ward elects a representative who is known as ward member or panch. The elected representative is known as ward member or panch. All the member of Gram Sabha also elect a sarpanch who is panchayat president. Sarpanch is panchayat president. The ward members are panch and the sarpanch form the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. It is elected for 5 years. The Gram Sabha acts as a legislative body, whereas the Gram Panchayat is an executive body of the village level. Gram Sabha is legislative body and Gram Panchayat is executive body, and both are at village level. And next is Naya Panchayat. Naya Panchayat is established for providing justice and resolving minor disputes. Naya Panchayat resolves minor disputes and provides justice to each. Gram Panchayat at village level. Gram Panchayat is elected by Gram Sabha. The Gram Panchayat has a secretary who is also the secretary of Gram Sabha. And next is Gram Panchayat is elected by Gram Sabha. Who elects Gram Panchayat? The Gram Sabha elects the Gram Panchayat. And Gram Panchayat has a secretary, and who is also the secretary of Gram Sabha. The secretary of Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat is also the secretary of Gram Sabha. This person is not an elected person, but appointed by the government. It is not elected, but it is appointed by the government. The secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat and keeping a record of the proceedings. Gram Panchayat elects Sarpanch who presides over the meeting of the Panchayat. Gram Panchayat performs public welfare activities, look after the health and education, and record death and birth of the village. This is all about today. The remaining lessons, we will discuss the remaining lesson in next video. Allah Hafiz.